Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you pull my girl.
Again with another video. This is the same, kind of the same video, but not really. So I will be testing out another brand of Morphe. I have these two palettes here. I don't know if I did a look on the 35V palette or the 35M palette. So what I want to do is just do a look with one of these palettes, and then the other palette I'll do a look with. But I don't think I'm gonna look with any of these palettes. I think I've swatched and stuff, but I haven't really dipped into these palettes. So I decided to do it. I have my foundation and everything on. I just did a makeup look using the James Charles palette. So go ahead and look at that video as well if you want to know what happened, how I got it and everything. You can go ahead and click the eyes, or it'll be in the description box below. So you got these two. This is the 35M, which looks like this. This is a 35M palette. I'm gearing more towards this palette than the 35V palette. This is the 35V palette. It has more blues in there, a little bit of champagne colors and brown colors. So I'm not going to use this one. This will be in another video. But I will be using the 35M palette, which is the Boss Mood palette. And I will be doing a look for you guys on that. Like this. Well, this look will be sped up. I don't think I'm gonna really be talking. Like, I'll have the names in the corner somewhere, like in the corner of here or somewhere in the corner, and I will have the names of the shades I use. But I will be doing a fast forwarded part of this video. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and that's basically what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and get started. You guys already know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn your notification bell so you know when I post a video. So you get more videos from me. And let's go ahead and get started with the video.